Spot, light. Spotlight?
Bruh.
Spotlight. A strong light focused somewhere. Grass, roots. Grassroots? Grassroots. Ordinary people supporting a movement. Stair, well. Stairwell? Stairwell. The space around stairs. Silk, worm. Silkworm? Silkworm. A worm that makes silk. Sea, bed. Seabed? Seabed. The bottom of the sea. Under. Wear. Underwear? Underwear. Clothes worn under other clothes. Bird. Cage. Birdcage? Birdcage. A cage for keeping birds. Hair. Dryer. Hairdryer? Hairdryer. A tool that dries hair. Dead. Wood. Deadwood? Deadwood. Dead or useless wood. Bulls. Eye. Bullseye? Bullseye. The center of a target. Bath. Room. Bathroom? Bathroom. A room for washing yourself. Home. Sick. Homesick? Homesick. Missing home badly. Under. Pass. Underpass? Underpass. A path going under something. Sky. Light. Skylight? Skylight. A roof window for sunlight. Foot. Note. Footnote? Footnote. A note at the page bottom. Ear. Plug. Earplug? Earplug. Something that blocks sound. Wrist. Band. Wristband? Wristband. A band worn around the wrist. Ship. Shape. Shipshape? Shipshape. Neat, clean, and organized. Lap. Top. Laptop? Laptop. A portable computer. Bird. Seed. Birdseed? Birdseed. Seeds used to feed birds.